Gear Speed is your go-to destination for in-depth reviews, latest updates, and expert insights on automobiles. Whether it's bikes, cars, or three-wheelers, we bring you detailed breakdowns of the newest models to help you make informed decisions. Today, we are taking a close look at the 2025 Bajaj Blaze Auto Rickshaw, a highly anticipated release in the three-wheeler market. With advanced features, improved efficiency, and a modern design, this rickshaw is set to redefine urban commuting. Bajaj has always been a dominant player in the auto rickshaw segment, and the Blaze model takes things to the next level. The design is sleek, with aerodynamic lines that give it a futuristic appearance. The headlights are sharper, featuring LED lighting for better visibility. The body structure has been strengthened, making it more durable and resistant to wear and tear. The wider windshield and improved wipers enhance the driving experience in all weather conditions. The passenger cabin is more spacious, ensuring a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. The seating has been upgraded with better cushioning to reduce fatigue during long journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 Bajaj Blaze comes with a refined engine that promises better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The engine capacity has been optimized to deliver more power while maintaining excellent mileage. The improved transmission system ensures smoother gear shifts, reducing the overall effort required for driving. With enhanced suspension, the ride quality is significantly better, minimizing jerks and vibrations on uneven roads. The braking system has been upgraded, offering better control and shorter stopping distances for increased safety. Technology has played a key role in shaping the 2025 Bajaj Blaze. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, including speed, fuel level, and trip details. A smartphone connectivity feature allows the driver to receive navigation assistance, track mileage, and even access service reminders. The inclusion of a USB charging port ensures that drivers can keep their devices powered up throughout the day. The Blaze also comes with a better sound insulation system, reducing external noise for a more peaceful ride. Bajaj has focused on making this model eco-friendly by introducing a variant that runs on CNG, providing a greener alternative for city transportation. This not only reduces running costs but also contributes to a cleaner environment. Additionally, the company has worked on noise reduction technology, making this rickshaw quieter compared to older models. Safety has been given top priority in the design of the 2025 Bajaj Blaze. The vehicle comes with better seat belts, an anti-rollover design, and reinforced body panels to enhance protection in case of an accident. The wider wheelbase ensures better stability, especially while turning at higher speeds or navigating through crowded streets. Reflective markings and brighter taillights improve visibility at night, reducing the risk of collisions. In terms of customization, Bajaj offers multiple color options and accessories to suit different needs. From stylish decals to additional storage compartments, there are various ways to personalize the rickshaw. The maintenance costs have been kept low, making it an economical choice for drivers looking for a long-term investment. Overall, the 2025 Bajaj Blaze stands out as a game-changer in the auto rickshaw segment. It combines modern design, improved performance, and smart technology to provide a better driving experience. Whether you are a driver looking for reliability or a passenger seeking comfort, this model checks all the boxes. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay updated with more automobile reviews by subscribing to Gear Speed and hitting the notification bell so you never miss an update.